Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from DRDO. When you will go to the official website of RAC, Recruitment and Assessment Center of DRDO, you can see here one revised advertisement has been posted, which is advertisement number 145. So for 204 vacancies of Scientist B in DRDO, ADA, DST and CME. Earlier this post has been for the DRDO only and the number of vacancies was 181. Now they extend the number of vacancies plus the age limit is also extended. Earlier it was 28 years for the DRDO, now it is 35 years for the DRDO. So when you will go here, you can see revised advertisement and old advertisement. If you want to go with the more details, you can go to the old advertisement. Right now I am talking about the revised advertisement. So when we will click here, let's talk about the details of this vacancy. So here they are going to recruit for the Scientist B in DRDO, 181 vacancies. This was earlier. Now they added 11 vacancies in Scientist B as Scientist B in DST, plus 6 vacancies as Scientist or Engineer B in ADA, plus 6 vacancies in Scientist B and in CME. Right, so total number of vacancies are now 204. The closing date for this online application is 31st August 2023. Now let's talk about the more here. As I told you, they extended the age limit. So age limit is now 35 years for the unreserved categories. OBC it is 38, for SC ST it is 40 years. Now let's talk about this advertisement in the detail, number of vacancies and whatever it is. So here we can see in electronics and communication, DRDO, organization is DRDO, number of vacancies are 49, in ADA 2 vacancies, in DST 1 vacancy. What is the essential qualification? A candidate must have a BE or BTech degree with first class, means minimum 60% marks, okay, in electronics and communication. And second thing is a candidate must have a valid GATE scorecard in electronics and communication. So paper code must be EC here. Okay, so for the equivalent or essential qualification as it is mentioned, you can check the more thing here. Now let's talk about the mechanical engineering. The number of posts in the DRDO is 44, ADA 2, DST 2, CME 2. The same thing here, BE BTech in mechanical plus GATE degree, valid GATE scorecard in the mechanical branch. Okay, so you can see here computer science and engineering, it is DRDO 34, ADA 2, CME 3. These things are same here, you can check. Okay, electrical engineering, DRDO 5, CME 1. When we go to the material science, as it is mentioned here, in electrical, candidate must have a valid GATE scorecard. In electrical paper only, means the paper code must be EE, plus BE BTech in electrical with first class degree. Okay, chemistry or more the things are mentioned here, you can check. This is for the civil engineering. Civil engineering DRDO 2 vacancies are there. Okay, and yeah, so production and industrial is also there. So overall you can see in DRDO number of vacancies are 181, in ADA it is 6, in DST it is 11 and in CME it is 6. So it is 204 vacancies. Right, so we can see here, this is the details, you can check. Okay, more details you can see here. Now this is the revised thing, age limit. So age limit is for DRDO it is 35, for the unreserved category for ADA it is 30, DST 35, CME 35. For OBC it is mentioned here, you can check category wise the age limit also. Now who can apply? Only Indian nationals can apply. How to apply? You can go to the official website of rac.gov.in and you can apply here. More details are mentioned here, you can check. Okay, now this is the application fees and mode of payment. So for general, EWS and OBC male candidates are required to pay a non-refundable fees of ₹100. There is no application fees for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. So this is very clear. Now after that the screening will be there, shortlisting will be on the basis of GATE score only. Right, now let's talk about the more things, the selection process. Again, as it is mentioned clearly, the shortlisted candidates on the basis of GATE 20 means GATE score. It's not mentioned that either it is GATE 23, GATE 22, GATE 21 or which one. So this is mentioned only valid GATE score. Okay, or to appear in the personal interview to be held at the Delhi. So first of all they will shortlist on the basis of your GATE scorecard for the personal interview, and then you will get the final appointment. Okay, now here what is the how to fill the application form, everything is mentioned here. The important date is, last date is 31st August, so you should be very careful with this date also. Now all the details I already covered, so more details you can go to the official website of RAC and you can check for more details. Okay guys, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.